So I'm on my way out and I noticed that he's all the way over there, and that's the only way out. Only way in, only way out. So he was initially over there, but we'll see if he's gonna pull me over. What's going on, guys? I'm back here again, and I just finished installing another part. There it is, the ARC radiator shroud. It's hard to see in this lighting. It's a little cloudy. Show you guys what it looks like outside. It's a perfect day to go on a drive. Winter. Some trees have leaves still, but had this part for a couple of weeks already, just haven't had the time to install it. And today being Sunday, you know, had some free time. I've been super busy with work. I've been working about 50 to 60 hours a week. You know, my schedule has been very busy. Everyone is doing good though. Family's doing good, work is good. The car, just haven't had the time to drive it, but here I am. Hopefully I get to hit some back roads in a little bit, but just wanted to show you guys a quick little update of the engine bay and the most recent part acquired, the ARC radiator shroud. I showed you in the last video that I installed the front bucket seats finally. There they are. These are the Bride Zeta 3 Hyper Black seats. See if I can show you guys the back side. That's the update on the car. Super excited. I don't think I'm gonna upgrade the steering wheel though. Alright, so there we have it. It's finally installed. Have the ARC radiator shroud. You got a police all the way down over there, but that's alright, we're not doing anything crazy. So what have you guys been up to? If you want to leave in the comments below, how has your situation with COVID been? How's work? How's the family? How's everyone doing? Hopefully I can get more car features on the channel. Let me know. Shoot me a DM or an email. Leave the description here in the bio. But I just want to know how everyone's doing. I'm ready for some short films. Finally, things are settling around the area. Notice all the way down over there, he's just chilling. $104,000 miles, about 105. Still on the stock block, not built yet. So I finally got around to install the shifter plate. Might get rid of this knob, who knows. The reason why I like this knob is because it doesn't get too hot when it's beaming outside with the sun. Nice feel to it. I wish I had a little bit more weight though. But yeah, this is my simple interior. Maybe one day I can wrap my headliner with the Bride material. Alright, well, that was pretty much it. Just wanted to make a quick little video. If you guys want short films, shoot me a DM. Let's make something happen. Besides that, catch you guys next time. Peace out. So I'm on my way out and I noticed that he's all the way over there, and that's the only way out. Only way in, only way out. So he was initially over there, but we'll see if he's gonna pull me over. I don't know if I want to give it a couple more minutes just so he can leave. But if he does pull me over, I'll film it.